Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. Today we're going to make a crunchy breakfast. We're gonna toast a bunch of nuts and seeds and coconut in the oven, and we're going to eat it like cereal. Oh my gosh, this is a great experience, guys, I promise you. It tastes very good. And it's very satisfying, and yeah, you know, it's a nice change from eggs and other things one has for breakfast. Before we do anything, if you could subscribe and turn on the notification button, thank you for that. Let's make this. I have a cup of raw almonds here. I'm just gonna chop them. I will give you grams for all this in the description box. But I don't want you to worry too much about it. It's not like we're baking something, okay? So if you're a little more or less, that's fine. We're gonna use almonds and pecans today, but you can use walnuts, you can use macadamia nuts, you can use hazelnuts. Yeah, I mean, any nut combination that you want. I'm gonna do the same thing now with a cup of pecans. We're gonna add a cup of unsweetened coconut flakes. If you can only find the shredded, that's fine. As long as it has no sugar, you're okay. So I'm gonna add a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons of flax, 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. All right, so here's the thing. You can substitute these seeds with chia, with sesame, if you'd like, okay? I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, and we're gonna mix this. I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we're gonna spray a rimmed baking sheet. If you don't have spray oil, just brush it lightly, okay? I have an egg white here. I'm gonna beat it until it's frothy. If you wanna sweeten this, you can put a little bit, you know, a sweetener in it. I'm gonna leave it like this. All right, I'm just going to drizzle this on top. And a quarter cup of coconut oil. It was solid, I just melted it. All right, we're gonna make sure everything gets coated. We have an oven heating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 175 Celsius, that we're gonna put this in for 20 minutes, 25 minutes, okay? All right, we're gonna spread it on our prepared pan. I'll see you when this is ready. 20 minutes later, and this is so aromatic and it's all golden and beautiful. We're gonna let it cool down. Look at this, it's beautifully crunchy. You can enjoy this as a snack, like, you know, trail mix, or you can enjoy it as cereal. I put some of that crunch inside a small bowl, and now I'm going to top it off with almond milk, and we will enjoy this like cereal. Yum. All right, so let's taste this. This is very good. That crunch is uber satisfying. It has no sweetener, as you've seen. If you want, you could add like some blueberries in there or some sweetener. I love it like this. I don't think it needs it. So that's how I'm gonna eat it. And you know, who says you can only have this for breakfast? How about breakfast for dinner? or maybe you just want to enjoy a little bit like a snack during the day. I don't know, however you decide to eat this. I recommend this very highly. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you soon.